Hey y'all, this is Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and today we're on top of our 2018 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless. My favorite way of describing this boat is clever. The reason I love to call this boat clever, look at what I'm standing on. I'm on a huge casting platform. You can stand 3-4 people back here. The kids can hang out, but there's hatches under everything. For instance, your boarding ladder, there, under a rock solid fiberglass hatch that you can stand on and cast from. If I step a foot forward, another huge, wide portion, walkable, beautiful casting platform, and excuse the lack of a cushion, but when we open it up, you honestly probably have the very best seat that you can find on a bay boat. Take another example. We're looking at a back and forth helm chair. You guys have seen these on boats for years, but Boston Whaler takes it and they do it just a touch nicer. You've got stainless rod holders in the corners. Of course, the hardware is stainless. You have a huge insulated live well underneath, which by the way is one of two on the boat. You've got storage for knives, you've got storage for pliers, and it's pretty easy to go back and forth with. This boat is equipped with Mercury's Verado in white. That's the option, just take my word for it, which gives you digital controls and power assist steering. As well, she's got Lenco electric trim tabs with indicators. And our electronics on these boats are going to be a dealer option. So whether you want the latest from Raymarine, Garmin, Simrad, or more, we'll install that at your request. But to continue the clever theme, let's go forward. One thing the 240 Dauntless does really well that I like, you've seen loungers in the front of bay boats. It seems like all of them have them these days. But Boston Whaler does something just a touch different. When they do it, and you've got a lounger here on the back, but the lounger is actually a part of the lid. So you have a full length storage box here, as well as storage in the middle and storage on this side. Now, instead of having storage under the front seat, you're gonna have a second live well that I told you about in the back. So whether you're doing bait in the front, release in the back, multiple kinds of bait, this boat takes care of you. Of course, the live wells are insulated, so you can use them for your favorite food, your favorite drinks, whether it's a family day at the sandbar or a hard day fishing with the guys. Folks, this is our 2018 240 Dauntless, and I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. If you've got questions or want to schedule a test ride, reach out. We're looking forward to talking to you.